Okay, now we're example 3. Now this one says, we're going to pretty much pull things together here for this one. We're going to use the sum and difference identity for cosine to find the exact value of cosine 735. Now with this one, inside of our parentheses here, it says, if the degree is greater than 360 degrees, then we subtract 360 until you get a number between 0 and 360. So we have 735 there. So we have 735, and we're going to simplify that down until we get a number between 0 and 360. So we subtract 360 from it, and for this one, we actually will subtract 2 times. But not all the time it's 2 times, but this time it just happens to be. So with that one you subtract, and you will get 375. Then we subtract again, 360, and we get 15 degrees. So we're kind of looking at cosine of 15 degrees. But what we need to find, because we're talking about dealing with the sum or difference of the cosine identity, so what we need to do is find 2 values that either add or subtract to give us 15. Now those values must come from the table we've talked about. So it could be like random numbers, like all the way up to 360, and then something subtracted that give you 15, or it could be 2 that add together give you 15. So in this case, I'm going to go simple, very easy. I'm going to go with cosine of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Both of those are on our chart, and if you subtract those, that gives you 15. That'll work. So let's go ahead and deal with our cosine here. So remember, cosine, the cosines and the sine stay together, but the sign changes in the middle. So we have cosine 45 degrees. We have cosine 30 degrees. And because it's a minus, we add. So that'll be sine 45 degrees and sine 30 degrees. And once again, the chart comes back, or that table comes back again, and we have to know our values. So, looking at cosine 45 degrees, that's square root of 2 over 2. Cosine of 30 degrees, square root of 3 over 2. Plus, sine of 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2 again. And sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. So multiply by 1/2. Alright, so we go ahead and finish this up, simplify it down. So square root of 2 times square root of 3 is square root of 6. 2 times 2 is 4. And then square root of 2 times 1 is square root of 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And they like to put it all in one fraction. I like it too. So we're going to put this all into one single fraction. Square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4. And you might ask the question, wait a minute, can we add those radicals together? And the answer is no, because this cannot be simplified down, that can't be simplified down any further. And so if they're not the same number under the radical, they can't be combined. So we leave it just like that. Easy, simple. Alright, so now it's your turn. And what you're going to do is you're going to work on cosine 75 degrees. You need to find 2 angles, 2 degree values that actually add together to give you 75, or that subtract together to give you 75. Now I'm going to give you your answer so you can go ahead and work on it and actually get the work for it. So the answer for this one is square root of 6 minus square root of 2 over 4. That's going to be your final answer. So good luck.